In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use manage.wix.com to create and sell templates. We're diving into everything you need to know to get your templates designed and listed in the marketplace. So let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and navigate to manage.wix.com. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Wix sites. Once you're on the site, click on the highlight option. This is your starting point for refining and customizing your templates. Think of it as highlighting a feature or collection you want to showcase. Next, head over to the section titled Custom Templates. This is where you'll find the template library, which is a diverse collection of pre-made designs. Here, you can draw inspiration or select a design that closely matches your vision. Don't shy away from creativity. This is your opportunity to craft something unique. Now, click on Create Template. It's a simple step, but it opens up a world of potential design possibilities. Essentially, this gets you set up to start crafting your template from scratch. If you have a specific design in mind, the next step is for you. Click on Start from a blank Wix canvas. This feature gives you a completely clean slate, enabling you to bring your unique ideas to life with no preset restrictions. Once you've designed your template, return to the Highlight section and ensure you have everything polished and ready. It's important to take your time here, and attention to detail often makes the difference between a good template and a great one. Now, you're ready to share your creation with the world. Click on Sell Your Studio Templates in the marketplace. This is where you introduce your template to potential buyers, offering them the chance to purchase and utilize your work, bolstering your business through a stream of income. Submitting your template is the next logical step. Click on Submit a Template. This starts the process of getting your design onto the marketplace. As part of this step, you'll want to ensure all your information is accurate and complete. Once that's done, click on Apply Now as you aim to join the wider platform community. Then, move forward and become a licensed partner by clicking Become a Partner. By doing so, you align with a network of designers and creators, fostering growth and collaboration. Lastly, complete the final series of highlight steps as prompted by the platform. These are quick confirmations that you're ready for your submission to go live. Now, all that's left is to hit Submit. With a sense of excitement and anticipation, you've completed the process of bringing your template to the marketplace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to turning your template designs into a thriving business opportunity on the Wix platform. Whether it's your first time or your 50th, each step in this process contributes to a vibrant creative society.